Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are take off the mirror on Toyota RAV4. So first things, unplug the mirror. Let's pull out the cable and we need to take off this number 10 bolts. Okay, and just then very tight. Oh, which way we need to pull up? All right, let's bring the plastic trim. This is much more tight what I thought. Oh, all right, now I see. So one in the bottom, press in. This is pressable, press in, and one in the right side bottom. So if you just press in, then pulling out. And behind the hole we find other 3 10mm nuts, but just need to remove gently. Try don't drop into the door. And when we are take off these 3 bolts after, let's reach. There is a white plastic top of the hole. Just gently press in by hand and the mirror will come off without any damage. All right, so just let's put there my finger first, hold by outside and press it, and we already take off. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.